Hello guys, we're back with another video. So we're gonna do the labor and check in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Poof, 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 poof. So today we're gonna do sibling. We're gonna do the sibling viral train, bro. So here we go. Here we go, guys.
Who is the youngest?
Who is the middle?
Who is the favorite?
Zijn ze de favorite? Zijn ze de favorite? Who is the bossiest?
And Edgar? Who is the oldest?
Who is the maddest when the other sibling is doing the thing first?
Who is the funniest?
Who likes to sleep when it's a school night?
Who wants to be funny? Who wants to not sleep if it's a school night? I don't pay the bills. I don't pay the bills. Who pays the bills?
Who is the naughtiest?
Who is the sister?
Who is the middle brother?
Who would like and subscribe to the fans?